I like planes. So as many of you know, I like to build planes. I also like to fly them. But as you can see in most of my videos, the one plane that I use is most likely completely destroyed, held together with just a bit of hot glue. So today, I'm going to be rebuilding it. And I thought, why not show you how to build it as well? Be a time lapse. The plane that I'm going to be building today is the Flite Test FT Mini Aero. This is one of the Mighty Minis, and basically it's like the FT Spar, but with a smaller, more compact cockpit. And it also supports FPV very well. So let's see if we can build that pretty soon. As I like planes, I've built this plane many of times. This plane was actually the one that I flew last video and the 2 videos before that one. This one is also very reliable. If you get it on flitetest.com, you can either get it in Power Pack A or Power Pack F. Power Pack A is definitely helpful when you're trying to train, and Power Pack F, however, is a lot faster. Even though they are both fast, I would recommend Power Pack F because even though they are both fast, Power Pack F can go a lot faster and can have a vertical climb, which means that you can basically go 90 degrees up. However, it is not the best for training, because if you do crash it that fast, you have to rebuild basically the whole thing, and your plane will end up looking like it did in my last video. So now that we have all of that done, and this is connected to our receiver, hopefully this will spin. Alright, so you can see some of these little arrows on the side. These will tell you which direction your motor should spin. And you can kind of see as they slow down. You can also do that. You can see as they slow down that they are going this way. And if they aren't, most of the time you can use your power pack and there will be bullet connectors. And all you have to do is switch 2 of them to make it go the correct way. Alright, back to servos. Alright, so your electronics won't exactly look like mine. I got other electronics than the stock ones to make mine go even faster and even more reckless. The blue servos are actually 9-gram servos. These are slightly more reliable than the Flite Test 5-gram servos. And also, my motor is a 2206 2500 kilovolt motor. And this basically means that it'll have a really good climb. With all the buildings squared away, let's fly. Oof, that was a bad takeoff.
It's pretty far away. I lost it, I think.
I'm back.
No, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's just a speck.
Alright, bring it in for a landing.
Okay.
You can go a long ways in a short amount of time. Saw it there, but alright.
Matthew, it's hard to see. You can barely see it.
Alright, this is landing.
I went out of focus for a sec. Because it was trying to focus on the clouds.
Quite a fast landing. Special thanks to my brother who recorded this video. Check out his channel in the description. Remember to get all your electronics in your kit at FlightTest.com. Flight Test also has an in-depth video of how to build this plane. Link in the description.